We're going to set up the time on the Siemens PLC and unified HMI. Two ways of doing just the time. One is we can just do it without a project with the online access. This has become more critical because you need to have the proper time match between the PLC and the HMI for the security certificates to allow actual data exchange. If the times aren't right, then what happens is all your display values on the HMI show the little warning triangle that it can't get the data. And you always get this warning the first time you connect. All you got to do is go to the online diagnostics, go to time set. Your PC normally has the right time because it's usually on the internet. If you hit apply here, it takes your PC time and sets it into the PLC. So it's as simple as that. Now, if the PLC hasn't been set up for your time zone uh, and other time settings you want, you first need to set it up in the project for the hardware settings for your PLC. All right, here's our test project. What I'll have to do is go to the hardware settings. You can get it through the device and networks or the device configuration or the online, the diagnostics. There's all kinds of ways of getting there. But I'm just going to go look at the picture, drill down to the PLC that I want to use, highlight that PLC, make sure I'm looking at the properties. Then I'm going to go down to the time of day settings. I've already set this one. It normally is for Dublin, uh, which is like, Greenwich Mean Time, UDT 0, US is -5. And you can also turn on and off daylight savings time, set the format, all those sort of things. Normally, I just leave those all defaulted. But you definitely want to get the time zone right. Now, once I got that set up, I can also, again, go back to the online diagnostics, either place here or in the accessible nodes. The same in either place. You go to the time settings. Once again, I can tell it to take it from my computer. A PG is a computer. Um, and I can apply it and it'll write that. Now, if for some reason uh, you want to set it manually, you can. They both work the same. Now you got the PLC set up for your time zone, the proper time. Now you got to go set the unified panel for the right time. Uh, Needs to be within a minute or two of the right time. If it's not, then the security certificate that gets downloaded will see the time is incorrect and won't let you connect to it fully. On my screen, I have a Go to OS button. You can also get here by rebooting it and catching it during the reboot. So if you go to the little world picture there, that's where you can get to the date time. You can hit the world picture there. Doesn't matter, same thing. Now we happen to have this set already, but this is where you would see what things are set up as. Make sure they're identical to the PLC. Then with these scroll up and down, so you can set the time date here, and you hit set the time date. Now your time date is set in the PLC or in the PC. Sorry, unified. There you go.